Math Challenge Alert. Hello everyone, welcome to Saze Math. Today we are solving 7 times 7 minus 7 times 7 minus 7 in parentheses. Can you solve it? Pause the video, solve it and put the correct answer in the comment. Having said that, let's dive in. At a glance, you will be tempted to do this multiplication first, and that will give us 49. And then you subtract 7 from it, and that will give us 42. And then you multiply it by the evaluation from this parenthesis. 7 minus 7 is 0, and your answer will be 0. As you can see from the question, you were told that the answer is not 0, so this answer is not correct. The correct way to solve this question is by following the order of operation called PEMDAS. Using this PEMDAS, P stands for parenthesis, that is bracket. So the first thing we are going to do is to solve the one in bracket. The next one will be the one exponent, which is something like 2 raised to power 2. And the third order we are going to solve multiplication and division. You work from left to right. And the last one will be addition and subtraction. You work from left to right. So beginning with the one in parentheses, 7 minus 7 is 0. So we have new equation, which is 7 times 7 minus 7 times 0. The next will be exponent, and it's not there, so we have multiplication. Multiplication here and here. So let's work the first one here. 7 times 7 will give us 49 minus 7 times 0. The next multiplication is 7 times 0. So 7 times 0 will give us 0. So we have 49 minus 0. And 49 minus 0 will give us 49. This is the correct answer. As you can see, the answer is not 0, but it is 49. That is the importance of PEMDAS, because many people would have gotten different answers, but PEMDAS show us the order, that is the order of operation with which we are able to get the correct answer. I hope this is clear. Thank you for your time. Kindly subscribe to this channel, like my videos and share. Bye bye for now.